I am energy.
I'm environment.
I am human.
I am health.
I am earth.
I am chemistry.
I am instruments.
I am computing.
I am experiment.
I am users.
I am collaboration.
I am integration.
I'm molecular.
I am science.
I am EMSL.
I am making a difference.
I received some interesting user feedback at a conference I attended last year when someone walked up to me and said, "You are Robbie Robinson," and gave me a great big hug. I had no idea who this person was. So I looked at his name tag and realized this was a user that we'd been working with for the last year in analyzing some of his samples. So he went on to tell me how important those results were in enabling him to make progress in answering a lot of the questions that he'd had in the AIDS research that he was working on.
I feel like being the liaison between the world and the great science here at EMSL is very rewarding. Best part of my job is when I have a user or a staff member send me an email or give me a phone call. In fact, I had this user in June. We had some trouble with his paperwork processing, and once we got him in, he wrote this: "Jubilations and celebrations, I am in." You know, I have that on my desk, and it just reminds me that you get caught up in the cycle and the daily grind, and it's things like this that make it worthwhile, knowing that we provide a doorway to the science that's happening.
In EMSL, I'm a postdoc. I'm a user and also a staff member doing the work on understanding the surface and interfacial properties of nanoparticles. The cerium oxide nanoparticles, which I'm studying now, have a bigger role to play in cancer treatment and also to reduce the radiation damage to the healthy cells of human beings. If I can understand the mechanism through which these nanoparticles perform in these practical applications, that will be a great achievement, and that drives my work every day.
Well, EMSL as a concept had lots of exciting opportunities, including the use of new tools to do new science. And one of my passions is to understand how interfaces affect the properties of materials, and being able to do that and learn how it impacts its problems important to society has been exciting. Being able to share that and get others involved and work with users has been a very exciting thing, and I hope that I've been able to actually encourage and contribute to that over the years.
One of the things I like best about working at PNNL, both as an EMSL user and as a postdoc, is that we get to perform fundamental science that has a direct impact on society, whether it's helping to clean up the environment or securing our nation's energy resources for the future. Also, having students work at the laboratory or getting to share our science with local schools gives us an opportunity to inspire the next generation of scientists and engineers, and it helps put a face to the science that's going on in support of our nation's needs, and that's rewarding too.
I am EMSL.
I am making a difference.